Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration options on this smartphone. You need to start by opening settings, then scroll down, choose sound and vibration over here. And now you can click on this switcher next to vibrate on ring. This way you can enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on the switcher next to vibrate on silent to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Then scroll down, choose more sounds and haptics over here. And now click on the switcher next to vibrate on touch to enable or disable touch vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!